My name is Eckberth Von Witzleben and I work here in the Volkswagen AutoMuseum. It is a foundation and we have here 5,000 square meters, and now we are in our motor cabinet, and I explain you now some engines of the VW history. And the oldest we have here is from 1944. It is a Porsche designed engine. It is a two-cylinder diesel engine, two-stroke with a compressor on it. And there was for the Type 1. But they never produced. It is a prototype from the year 1944. Yes, it's fitted on the gearbox. You can put it in the rear of the VW body. Yes, yes, and here we have two old VW engines. This is for a Notstromaggregat, an engine. And this is a normal VW engine for the Type 1. It's also produced during the Second World War. Here you see the Zündkerzen. Yes, and here we have an old gearbox. Yes.
1944.
Yes, and here a prototype gearbox. It is not by aluminum, it is pressed by tin.
Oh, pressed by tin.
Yes, and this is produced in the year 1944. Because they have not enough material during the war, and so they decide take this one. Yes, it's built in the TE. TE means technische Entwicklung. And this is Mr. Ringel, and Mr. Ringel was a part of the Porsche team, and they worked here during the 50 and 60 years.
Okay, wow. Okay, and let's look at this engine. So what is this?
This is a special engine. It is a half VW engine. You see only two-cylinder, and they was used to bring this big engine to run.
Oh, the starter.
Yeah, it is a starter. This is a starter engine. They make many from it for this one. It is a Porsche designed engine from the year 1941 to 44, and they put it in a big lorry.
Ah, okay.
And so you see, it is the design of Porsche, the air-cooled, ripped engine. Yes, here we have some cutaway models. It's a cutaway model very early after the war. We have gearboxes here.
And what's this?
This is an automatic Saxomat.
Yeah.
A half automatic transmission.
Oh, wow. Okay, so tell me about this engine.
This is an engine from the year 1969. It is the engine B4, and it was produced for the Type 4.
Type 4, okay. This is
It's a
prototype engine.
It's a prototype engine. This is a number of the engine. It means 2 to 8, and this is the 15th produced engine from it.
Ah, okay.
And it is with a flat air cooling system. They take the breath from here, the air cooling, and press it over the cylinders. It is also a 4-cylinder opposite.
4-cylinder.
It's also a flat engine, also with a little bit different, but the same air cooling system.
Yes.
The car is there, and this is the back of the vehicle, and they take the air from the back and press it over the cylinders. Yes, here we have also a gearbox, a flat engine, and here is a Porsche engine. It is built for the EA128. It was a 6-cylinder. You can see it in the museum and the exhibition. And this is a 6-cylinder, 3-cylinder boxer, 3 on both sides, and with a flat cooling system. And it is also an air-cooled 6-cylinder engine with a high output. In this time, it was 90 PS.
But looks totally different from the Porsche 911 engine.
Yeah, it is. It looks a little bit different. Yes, yes. It was an engine not for a sports car. It was a 6-seater engine for the United States. We have here the sedan, and in the Autostadt you can look for the variant with the same engine. But they never bring it in production. Yes, and this is also a special engine from the year 1968. It is also with air-cooled engine, take the air from both sides, and they were also cooled with oil. It's a special oil cooling system, yes. And you see the housing of the vehicles is the same like the Beetle.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Very interesting. Yeah. Very interesting design.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go to the auto crew.
Yeah. Of the 266.
266. Which cars?
The concept car.
The concept car.
Yeah. 266. Yeah.
Here are the cylinder head.
Yeah.
Here's the engine.
And it still has a fan.
Crankshaft house.
Yeah.
Kurbelwelle.
Very special.
And this,
Cooler.
yes, and it is not air-cooled, it is water-cooled.
Water cool.
In front here is a water radiator.
Yeah.
Yes, this is an icon for Volkswagen because it is a very, it is a first. It is the first Volkswagen 4-cylinder line with a fluid cooling system with a carburetor. Here the cleaning system for the
Oh wow.
air. And it is designed by Dr. Hermann Krüger. It was the chief of the motor construction here in Wolfsburg, and they designed the very, very rare engine. We have one car and one engine, and in the car is also an engine. So we have 2 engines and 1 car of this time.
Very interesting.
And right, this is an engine. They don't take the Krüger engine for the Volkswagen new model generations, Golf, Scirocco and Passat. They take the EA827. This was an engine for all VW Volkswagen of the 70, 80 years. It is a 1.6 here. And it is designed from engineer from Audi.
Okay.
This is a very early liquid cooled engine from 1967, and it is with 2 cylinders opposite, but is completely new construction for a water-cooled engine. They take the cooling air through this radiator.
In this radiator attached to the engine.
Yes, it's in the back. It was designed for the new T3 or T2,
T2,
because it was in 67, but they never bring it in production. A little bit later, they take this in the year 78, and this was also for a special model for the Passat, but they never put it in the Passat. They put this engine in the T3. Yes. It's a also EA main means Entwicklungsauftrag, and VM is the German spelling VM. It is Versuchsmotor.
Okay.
This was a Versuchsmotor, and it's a with a carburetor system.
Yes, yes. Very interesting.
Yeah, and you see some parts of the Beetle here, like this.
Oh
here.
yes.
We have more engines, but we show here 15 engines and also new engines like the V12 and the V8 or the VR6. A very early VR6 we have there from the year 1979. The model cars we see is a EA266, and it was used for the for show the body painting on the 1.5 model.
Oh wow. Okay.
So you have different colors, red, green, or Colorado metallic, like this one here. And you see also Type 3 or Type 4 models here, and Beetle models. It's very rare,
Yeah, very rare. Wow.
handcrafted and hand painted.
Hand-painted.
Yeah,
All right. Thank you so much. This
you're
is very
welcome.
inter-